Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how a switch case can be used in programming Arduino. Let's start example in Arduino IDE. I set the mode of pin 8, 9 and 10 to output and begin serial monitor in setup function. The loop function initializing the LED counter and increments it every time it gets called. Switch case works in a similar way like if-else statement. Switch statement take the parameter and in our case it is the LED counter and compare it with cases covered by it. Now we start cases in switch statement. The first case compares the LED counter with 1 and if that is true, I'm gonna use digital write API to set pin 8 to high. That will turn on the red LED connected to it. To show current status of this LED, I'm gonna use print API that will print the LED status to serial monitor. Once the LED is turned on, put a delay of 500 milliseconds. With that delay, the LED stays turned on for at least 500 milliseconds. Every case uses break command to leave switch statement. Otherwise, the software can execute other cases in switch statement and it can lead to some unexpected behavior. Let's write the second case with comparing LED counter with value 2. If that is true, then the blue LED connected to pin 9 gets turned on. Print the status to serial monitor using print API. Put the delay of 500 milliseconds here after setting the pin 9 to high and break from the switch statement. If both of the above cases are false, then the default case of switch statement gets executed. Turn on the LED connected to pin 10 by using digital write API. Provide the pin number and its required output state as input parameter to this API. Print this information to the serial monitor. Put a delay of 500 milliseconds so this LED stays turned on for at least 500 milliseconds. As I explained before, set the LED counter to 0 for the next cycle. In the next part of default case, set all three LEDs to low. Therefore, these LEDs can be turned on again with the help of LED counter. In this part of code, I am using comment. That is a good practice of remember the intention of writing those lines of code. I'm using digital write API to set pin 8, pin 9 and pin 10 output to low. Print this information to serial monitor. The purpose of calling this API is that we get informed of turning off all LEDs and as a confirmation, we will even analyze serial monitor displayed information with LEDs. Once all LEDs are turned off, put a delay of 500 milliseconds. With this delay, LEDs remain turned off for this time because software is blocked by delay function. After everything is done, break from switch statement. Software writing is completed. Now compile the software and upload it to the Arduino board. We see that LEDs are getting turned on and off. If we compare a serial monitor with LEDs, we can see that the LEDs turn on and off status is same at both places.